Recording a video and uploading it to YouTube isn't enough. People won't watch it just because it's there. If you want them to stay, you have to keep their attention. And to do this, you need to focus on 3 things. Pace, how your video moves. Visuals, giving people something to look at. Atmosphere, making them want to stick around. And you can do all of this, even without crazy editing skills. Let's go. First, pace. Cut everything that slows down your video. Locked pauses, filler words, just cut them out. If your video feels slow, people leave. Add movement every 3-5 seconds. This doesn't mean your video should jump around like crazy, but small moves like a zoom, crop, or text pop-up keep the viewer's eyes awake, especially in the first 5 seconds of your video. You need maximum energy right at the start. Second, visuals. Show, don't just talk. Mention a brand, show the logo. Talking about a book, show the cover. Mention a website, add a screenshot. People remember things better when they see them. Highlight key moments with text. If you want to show a strong point or result, make it pop up like a quote. If you want to explain a step, use a simple diagram with icons. Important: text on screen isn't decoration. Don't throw random words everywhere. Highlight real important parts. Powerful verbs, strong results, important facts. The goal? Make your message stronger, not distracting. Add B-rolls. Nobody wants to stare at your face for 10 minutes straight. You can add instead screen recording or footage related to your topic, typing, scrolling using a product. You can get B-rolls on Motion Array, Pexels, FreePic, and many other websites. For screen recording, you can use Loom or Screen Studio or any built-in screen recording tool. And if you're making a short-form clip, don't forget to add subtitles. People mostly watch their feed without sound, so you can lose a lot of your potential viewers just by not adding subtitles. And you can easily add subtitles in CapCut. Super fast and free. 3. Atmosphere. Music has the vibe. Even the best content feels empty without music. Imagine this video without music. Boring, right? And where you can get music with no copyright strikes. YouTube audio library, Upbeat, Epidemic Sound, Artlist, and don't forget about the rhythm. Think of your background music in beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on every 4, something small should happen. A crop, a light zoom, a text pop-up, a cut to a new shot. You don't need crazy fast cuts. Small moves keep the video feeling alive. Rhythm is engagement. If the rhythm dies, so does the attention. Don't forget sound effects. Small pops, whoosh, clicks, they make graphics and transition feel smoother. Where to get sound effects? freesound.org, YouTube library, mixkit.co. This is what you need to know. Editing is not about crazy effects. Editing is about pace, rhythm, and respecting viewers' attention. Whether it's a 30-second short or a 1-hour interview, if the video just sits still with no energy, people will leave. Quick checklist before you publish your video. Are there cuts, zoom, transition? Are the key points highlighted with text or visuals? Did you add B-roll or screen recordings? Is there music and it's not louder than your voice? Are there at least a few sound effects? If yes, your video is already better than 90% of what's out there. If you find this video helpful, press like and subscribe buttons. This means a lot to me. And let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching.